So I decided I would try a little something new, and I would just talk to the DSLR camera and see how that comes out. So right now I'm about to start installing my headlights. I mentioned that I got those LED headlights from Amazon, so I'm pretty excited about that. We're going to see how bright they are. I'll have to wait till tonight to find out exactly how bright they are, but yeah, I'm going to get to installing those right now, and I'll give you some more updates and some more things that I have planned for the car. But yeah, let's get to it. I got my headlights right here in this box. So I already took a look at them. They look pretty standard. They don't have any anti-flicker ballast, but oh well, not really too big of a deal. We'll see if they end up flickering, but I'm just going to get right to it. Should be easy. You just got to pull this intake box out right here. I believe, yeah, this is the side that the low beam is on. So I got a low beam LED conversion. I didn't get high beams, but I probably will in the future. So you're just going to twist in here. Maybe I'll come around the other side and give you guys a better angle on that. That should be a bit of a better angle for you. So it looks like there's this gray section around the light, and if I'm just twisting that, it seems to pop the bulb loose, and the bulb can come out. So all we're going to do is take this bulb out of its socket right here. So we're just going to grab our LED bulb here, and this guy's going to go in the socket. You want to make sure you line up the tabs on your new light. I think this goes in about like this. Once you get it to go in and sit nice, then you spin the gray ring around the outside, and that is what locks in your light. See, now we're locked in, and then we're just going to plug it in, and looks like everything fits. Now all that's left is to test it out and compare it. Right here we have the old halogen bulb. You can see how bright it is, and we'll work our way over to the new LED bulb. Much more white and much brighter. Take a step back here. Yeah, you can definitely see the difference. At nighttime it'll be much more of a difference though. So I'm going to go ahead and install the other one, and we'll check back once it gets dark. See how they look. It's much later now, and you can see that these LED low beams are working really well. Nice bright white light. Looks really good. I think I might take it for a quick ride. We'll see what the visibility's like. So, we're out in the car now. You should be able to see that the lights look really good. I'm sure there's a lot of wind noise. Let's see if I can roll up the windows. I am going to order a new microphone. That should help out a little bit, but I got a new GoPro set up, so I have the camera mounted to a suction cup that's mounted to the window, so I can move it up and down a little bit like that. But hopefully the view is good for you guys, and hopefully you can see the gauges, and hopefully you can see out of the car as well. But yeah, I just wanted to go for a little ride and test out these new lights, see how good they look, and honestly they're much better. I can see so much more. I'm really going to enjoy driving at night with these. Alright, well, I think that's going to be all for this video, but hopefully you enjoyed the lights and a little pull.